I'm recording the shit. I've convinced an entire server to just do World War II memes. We all have like World War II shit. It's really funny. And I'm like the best of the team. That's like don't be a buddy fucker. Don't stop him. Don't waste. I want to fuck my buddies.
My German ancestors have blessed me with this MG32.
Okay, let's do it!
That's an MG42, my brother.
Nice. Oh, it's a 42? Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah. Well, it's the modern version. It's the one that was created in like 2006. It's called the MG3. It's a modernized version. But it is basically MG42.
Is it still an 8mm Kurtz, though?
No, it's 7.62 like with 39 or some shit. It's one of the 7.62 rounds or some shit. It's big bullet.
54R.
It's big bullet. It fucks shit up. It's Mosin bullet. Man, I'm gonna be honest, I really potatoed. But that was good, man, that was good. Capture C, my brother!
Hot dog survive.
That scared the shit out of me. Oh, little ASL pussy. I know that this didn't have a suppressor, but I need that reload grip. So, it's justified. I don't actually know.
Just no-scope someone with VM1, get ready.
Bro, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, mate.
Man, why is Goku using an ASL? Push, 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 push! Put this engage! Oh, you're friendly, sorry, man.
Bad guys on the A. Avenge me, you loads.
I will, brother! I will, brother!
I'm sorry.
I need to be avenged now. I'm concentrating. Okay, he shot me with the deagle, so I respect it. But not really. Still one shot. He liked me fooling World War II
Guys
guy out.
going A.
I'll frag it!
Oh shit, bad nade! Careful! I didn't notice him, he didn't see him. I didn't see him, he blended in. I'm not making excuses, I promise.
Hold on! Charlie, secure it!
It's clear! We cleared it!
Ah!
What the hell are you doing, you mugaffal?
Not gonna lie, he fucked me.
Fuck off! I'm throwing a frag! We're losing Charlie!
I'm not camping. Man, you saved my life.
Chill, bro. Sorry. No problem, but chill, bro. Coming.
Hey! They taking Charlie!
Oh no, my mate got headshotted.
Charlie's down! We
I'm not taking that off. And I got a kill. Let's go.
Charlie, guys!
And I also got shot. Let's go. Minnow.
Securing Charlie!
I'll be next episode. Bro, I'm fucking John Wick, dude. I'm in bed with John Wick right now. I'm also dead.
Alpha secure!
Clear!
He jumped through my bullets.
Enemy in cover!
Shit, I'm dead. No, I'm dead. You are
Oh,
dead.
mate.
It is good day to be not dead. Pow! You are dead. I am dead. Shit. They came from the hills. They shot us. For the funnies. Agent 47. Someone go to Discord. I'm fucking deafened. Oh, we're still alive. Never mind. I'm not using that.
Enemy dead!
Wow. There's a lot like.
Maybe.
Well, I think I make the enemies angry.
30 meters.
I make the enemies angry. I died and he shot me when I was already dead.
Fuck!
Sounds like he's a pissed off pussy bitch.
Yes, he is. He hates America.
Charlie, secure!
America.
Fuck yeah. Running around, saving motherfucking day, yeah, America. Fuck yeah. Man, we're not appropriate. Чё же твоя проблема? Иди сюда. Oh, I thought you were an enemy.
Stop shooting me!
No, I ain't. I'm a real brother, not your enemy.
Grenade!
You got fucked. Oh no, sorry, I did.
I also got fucked.
Nice. Together.
Yes, a threesome, let's go. Man, that is painful.
GG's. Fun match.
GG, that was so much fun.
Wieners,
Pee pee
wieners,
pee 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 pee.
America.
You. Soldier boy. Yeah. Как дела, мой браток? Как дела, братух? Как дела, братух?
Заебись. Как дела, братух?
Как дела?
Как дела, братух?
Да,
Как дела,
как дела?
братух?
Да, как дела, братуху? Как дела?
Привет.
Как дела, братух?
Ну, это... Black people.
Хорошо, я должна идти. До свидания. I need to go. See you guys.